wonderful learning individuals. It is a pleasure. I thank you all so much for pressing the play button. How are you all doing today? It is so great to have you. I am Johnny, your host with HomeCountry Mathematics. Please feel free to stay because learning math is good for your brain. Now, let us learn some math together, shall we? All right. It's great to have you. Great to have you, guys and gals. Thank you for being here. Thank you for participating, being part of this. Yes. It's great to have you here to support you students and also parents. All right. Let's do this. What are we doing? What are we doing exactly? Well, we're going to be basically kind of refreshing our memory. We're doing refresher stuff. Okay? You know, it doesn't hurt to kind of go over the basics and refresh your mind. This is good. It's always a plus. There's always something you tend to may forget or overlook. And refreshing is good. Use the Prerequisite Skills section to refresh your memory about things you have learned in other math classes. Today's topic, I guess I'm probably going to call this section Prerequisite Skills. That will be the playlist. Again, it's great to have you. We are in topic 1. Operations with fractions, adding and subtracting. Ooh, I love fractions. Yes, I do. We're going to begin. Don't worry, guys and gals. We're going to begin. We're going to do some easy ones, okay? Simple. It's just like adding two whole numbers together. And I'm confident in every single one of you that is part of this. I'm confident that you can add two numbers together. I know you can. All right, let's do this. All right, awesome. Excuse me, took advantage of having some coffee. All right, here it is. 3/5 plus 1/5. Okay. Is there a definition on fractions? Is there an actual definition? What are fractions in math? Okay. Here's a general AI overview. Fractions represent a part of a whole consisting of a numerator, which is the top number, and the denominator, being the bottom number. All you're really doing, in essence, is, well, it depends on what you're doing, right? With addition, you're really adding the numerators, and with multiplication and division, which we'll do some examples, that's a different procedure. So let's just focus on adding and subtracting in this video, and then stay tuned, and we'll do some simple, easy multiplication and division. And I'll let you know ahead of time. Multiplication and division of fractions is so much easier. So it gets a lot easier once you get the full understanding of adding and subtracting fractions, okay? everyone watching supports you, and we wish you all the best and good luck. All right, numerator. What am I doing here? I don't know what I did there. Okay, it's all right. Let's carry on. The denominator shows how many equal parts the whole is divided, right? So let's say, for example, I'll just do a square, right? And I'm not going to be very accurate, but here we go, okay? Well, before I do that, right now we have 1/2, right? So this is a whole, and we have 1 and 2 parts, right? So it's 1 of 2 parts, and 2 of 2 parts. All right, essentially the fraction's going to be 1/2, okay? Just 1 part, right? Is 1/2 of a whole, because it's 2 parts, right? It kind of makes sense. This here could be a 1 as well, right? Each part is a 1/2, okay? The denominator is essentially the total. All right, and then also I could turn it into quarters, right? So now we have 1. I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, but just to make it easier to understand, each part is 1/4. Okay, every single one of them. Each one of them is a quarter. Okay. Let's do some fractions now. Let's see, finish up here. The denominator shows how many equal parts the whole is divided into, while the numerator shows how many of those parts are being considered. For example, a pizza cut into 8 equal slices is the whole, right? If I draw a pizza, or kind of try to draw a pizza, that's the whole, right? So I could easily cut the pizza. Pizza. So far I've done quarters, now I've turned it into 8s, right? So now we have 8 pieces. All right, so each piece represents 1/8. Now if you eat 2 pieces, you're eating 1/8 plus 1/8. Right, and then actually I could do some quick addition right here. As a matter of fact, this would be a good starting example, right? So fractions are really easy to add together when both denominators are the same. Okay, it's just a simple matter of adding the numerators together. The denominator remains unchanged, okay? You gotta leave that alone. Okay, so all we do is add the numerators together. It's that simple. 1 plus 1 is 2, so we have 2 8s. Well, now we can reduce that, right? Factoring, okay? Don't let the big scary word factoring scare you. It's really easy. Thank you for your patience and understanding. I'm kind of just quickly throwing this together for you guys and gals. Okay? All right. So what we need is 2 numbers. We know they're both even numbers, right? 2 is an even number. 8 is an even number. We also know that 2 can be divided by 2, and 8 can be divided by 2. Okay? So with that said, all we're doing really is turning this number into 2 numbers. What times 2 equals 2? That's 1. What times 2 equals 8? Well, that's 4. Okay? The reason we do this is so that we could do this. You could call it reducing, you could call it canceling. Really, that's what we're doing. So what does that mean? Well, we could do this because 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, and any number multiplied by 1 is just going to give you the same value, right? So essentially, we're going to be multiplying 1 times 1 over 4. Okay, so I could carry this through without even having to show any further work. We're left with 1/4. Okay, so if somebody ate 2 slices of pizza, that's 2 out of 8. And all we're doing is reducing the fraction, right? Because we can. All right, how are we doing for time? I think I'm going to leave it at that. That's a good starting example. And then we'll continue with working with addition and subtraction of fractions. It's great to have you. I hope that helped. If you want to learn some more, please feel free to join the next video. Thank you for watching. I'm Johnny, and take care for now.